Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. So this is a little bit of a big haul. Okay, I don't know how much how many products are in here. I'm kind of like, well, but we're just going to talk about everything. I just finished filming a new 99-cent store haul, so that was really exciting. So I'm just going to wipe off the swatches of that video, and we're going to go ahead and get into this. So if you're excited to see what I purchased in this Dollar Tree haul, just keep on watching. First product, funny enough, this is actually not from the Dollar Tree. This is from the 99-cent store. I think I just threw it in here so I can talk about it. But I did purchase a phone case, okay, girls? So I do have the iPhone 14, but I was so excited. This is so cute. And I was like, oh my god, it's pink, it's sparkly. Let me throw it in my cart. Let's go. Let's get out of here. This was $1.99 and it doesn't fit my phone. Yeah, so next we're gonna go ahead and get into the Dollar Tree stuff. I don't know if I have more 99-cent store. If I do, I'll talk about it. So next we have a pink shower cap that I saw at my local Dollar Tree. This is so cute. It says our shower cap is made from a quality durable material that is water resistant, comfortable, and special designed to protect your hairstyle. So cute. I was in need of a cute hair cap, so I was like, why not? This is actually, it feels really good quality, girl. This is double lined. What? I was not expecting that. I thought it was gonna be like a cheapy kind of, you know, whatever shower cap. So it has this like material, you know, the one that is water resistant on the bottom. And the inside, it's like that velvet type of material, like a towel. This is so nice. I'm really shocked. How stunning is that? And also the color is beautiful. Next product are some lip balms. So these are the Crystal Waters lip balms. So it comes with 2 in here. We have the strawberry scent and the grape scent. This is actually something I just threw in my cart when we were about to check out, like right next to the checkout line. So there's a look at the 2 lip balms. See how they look on the inside. Girl, this is you barely get any products in here. It smells good, but girl, so that's how it looks, but look at how deep it goes in, and you get a little bit of product in there. That's crazy. But whatever, I guess, you know, it's gonna be easy to use really fast, so I could just throw it in an empties kind of vibe. I like those type of easy products for me, but girl, this might be a little too easy. It's a little, you know, you just get a little bit of product in there, which is fine, whatever. It was $1. It smells really good. Kind of not comfortable with how much product you get in here, but whatever product we have in here. So I do have quite a bit of nails, so I'm just going to put that to the side while I find everything else. I think I have more of these as well. So I'm going to show you guys this product. This is actually a loofah. Yeah, loofah with scrubber from Spa April Bath and Shower, and it's just a loofah and it comes with a scrubber. You know, super simple, but these type of things really excite me, especially when you take your time in the shower. You want to feel your best, and I love that it has this 2-in-1 kind of vibe. It's going to feel so good in the shower. I was in need of a new loofah, so I just went ahead and picked this up. So I found the other mask. So I did pick up 2 masks from Be Pure. We have the hydrating hand and nail gloves. You guys know I've actually tried these before. They're okay. And then we have their hydrating foot mask. I thought these were just going to be really nice and simple to try out whenever, you know, whenever I'm feeling that self-care kind of vibe. I like to throw these on. They're nothing revolutionary. They're not going to change my life, but I think these are just really cute to have. Again, because of those self-care kind of moments, I just have these and they work for me. So I went ahead and picked up 2 different types of those. All right, so funny enough, I was watching a picture of her YouTube channel on the screen. I love her channel. At the moment, I'm having like a brain fart, so I can't remember what the name is. But girl, trust me when I say I watch every single one of her videos. I love her. She's amazing. I love her personality. I love that she loves pink. As you can see, I love pink as well. So I watched her haul video, and then that same day I went to Dollar Tree, found everything that she talked about. So it's actually one of the products that she showed in her video. This is the hydrating facial massager, and they had 2 different ones. They had this one here that has those 4 little balls. They also had one with like a stone in it as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this to see what it looks like. I don't have any batteries with me now, but I just kind of want to see what it looks like. Ooh, that actually looks like pretty good quality, and it says like on, off, on the side, on, off, open, right, and that's where the batteries go. Okay, so I have another one of these in here, so I'm just gonna kind of, oh, okay, I found it. We have 2 lip glosses. So these are from Smackers. I guess just like lip smackers. This is their holographic lip gloss, and I went ahead and picked up 2 different shades, Berry Beauty and then So Lit. So this one here is in the shade, what shade are you? Berry Beauty. Name is, let's see if it's on here. Yes, okay, perfect. So there's a look at this one. So this one here is in So Lit. Ooh, I like the applicator. It's like a flat kind of moment. There's a look at So Lit. They kind of smell like berries. Wow, smells really good. And this one seems to be like a more pigmented gloss. But you know, they both look pretty clear on the hand. But they're so nice, and I was so excited to see a new brand at the Dollar Tree. So exciting. All right, I think I have more LA colors in here. We have a lipstick. What else do we have in here? Oh, I forgot about this. So this was also another product that she debuted in her video. This is from Be Pure, and this is the ultrasonic face mister. I keep seeing a lot of people talking about this. I actually own something like this from, I think it was from Five Below, but this is pink and it's so cute, so I just had to pick it up. It also comes in blue, looks like so. How cute is that? So you just put water in here and it sprays water on you. A nice little mister, is so cute. All right, so we do have a couple of LA Colors nails. I went ahead and picked up 4. The LA Colors Lovely Lace Artificial Nail Tips. These are actually really nice. They're nice, like medium kind of size, and these are their coffin shaped pink nails. They look like so pretty. And I also went ahead and picked up their lighter version. So these are the ones in baby pink nude. And I like to pick up 2 different packs because they only come with, how many? 12 pieces, and most of the times they don't, like, you know, when you buy like press-on nails, you get 2 nails that are the same size so you can put them on both hands. But with these, you get a couple of different sizes in one and then the same. So I just kind of buy 2 of them so I can pair them perfectly and they both match, you know. So that's what I do. That's my little nail hack. Let's talk about the sponge. So I did purchase a new beauty sponge. I'm just going to leave this in the packaging, which is a pink kind of moment. So I'm just going to use this in a new video, but once it's out of the packaging, it's going to get lost. I'm going to forget it's from the Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to keep it in the little box. But this one is the pink one, and they also did have, I believe, a green one. Next product is a towel scrunchie. So it says use on wet hair after the shower, pool, beach, or gym. I own one of these from the Shamise website, and I actually really like it. So I just went ahead and picked up this one here from the Dollar Tree. It looks so cute. And I think this was the only design they had. It's a cute little one with like roses. It's like kind of rain though. Oh my gosh. But looks like so. All right, so we have a couple of LA Colors products before we get into those. We have this from Be Pure, and this is a texturizing hair perfume. It adds volume, texture, and freshness. Spritz on any time of day and night for a fresh look and feel. So I love me a good texturizing spray. So I just went ahead and picked it up. Let's go ahead and smell it. See if it smells like anything. There's a look at that. Let's see. Kind of smells like men's cologne. If you guys know me, I love that. So excited about this. Next, let's talk about the LA Colors products. We have a nude glam lipstick. This is one of the products that she recommended from her video. She always uses this. I'm sorry, I can't remember her name, but she said that she loves using this one. So this one is the LA Colors lipstick in Oh Teddy. I love me a good pinky nude, if you guys know me. I had to pick this up. It came in a couple other colors. There's a look at that. Name is on the bottom, thankfully. Ooh. Oh, this is a pretty color. Oh gosh, the most awkward swatch. There's a look at that. Really pretty color. It's gonna look beautiful with a dark chocolate brown lip liner, and this in the center. Next, we have 2 glosses. These are the last 2 products from today's video. We have their Nude Glam Lip Gloss. It says this is a sheer finish, extra shine, layers beautifully over lipstick kind of moment. So this one here is in Cuddles. And then we have the shade Promises. Did I need any more lip glosses? No. Did I buy them? Of course. This is stunning. I think the thing that I'm most excited about in today's video is that lipstick, but also that texturizing spray is really intriguing me. All right, so there is the one in Cuddles. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, these are more pigmented. There is Cuddles right there. Pigmented kind of gloss. These might turn out to be liquid lipsticks. This one here is in the shade Promises. Let's see. Oh, this one's really nice. They actually look like more of a liquid lipstick than a gloss. But again, we're gonna have to try all of this out on the lips to really see what's going on. These are the last two products from today's video. I have a Dollar Tree playlist linked down below if you want to watch my full faces, my hauls, any of that, so you guys can catch up on my videos. But that was the last product we talked about. I think I picked up a bunch of really great products I can't wait to try out. I'm definitely gonna update you guys in empties videos, in my ranking videos and stuff. So of course, stick around, subscribe, like this video if you like Dollar Tree and affordable makeup, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.